Amber is waiting for me.
Amber is waiting for me. Amber زما لپاره انتظار کوي.
I should leave now, Mom.
I should leave now, Mom. زه باید اوس لاړه شم. leave مطلب پرېښودل دی، خو دا معنا شوله چې زه باید دا ځای پرېږدم، یعنې لاړه شم.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. د خپل ځان خیال ساته.
I will call you soon.
I will call you soon. زه به تا ته ډېر ژر زنګ وهم.
You have to eat meal on time.
You have to eat meal on time. ته باید خپله ډوډۍ په ټایم باندې وخورې.
Don't worry about me.
Don't worry about me. زما په باره کې اندېښنه مه کوه.
You have to take care of yourself.
You have to take care of yourself. ته باید په خپل ځان باندې خیال وساتې.
I will miss you a lot, my sweetie.
I will miss you a lot. زه به تا ډېره یادومه. My sweetie زما خوږې.
Have a nice journey.
Have a nice journey. ښه سفر ولرې.
God bless you.
God bless you. الله دې تا ته برکت درکړي.
You.
You. ته.
You again.
You again. ته بیا یعنی دوباره.
Are you chasing me?
Are you chasing me? آیا ته ما تعقیب کوې؟
Not again.
Not again. دوباره نه.
I am not chasing you.
I am not chasing you. زه تا تعقیب یعنی زه تا نه تعقیبومه.
You are not special for me.
You are not special for me. ته زما لپاره خاص نه یې.
I hope we'll not meet again.
I hope we'll not meet again. I hope زما امید دی. We'll مطلب we will دی اصل کې. We will not meet again چې موږ به دوباره میلاو نشو.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. د خدای په امان.
What do you think of yourself?
What do you think of yourself? ته د خپل ځان په باره کې څه سوچ کوې؟
Why would I chase you?
Why would I chase you? ولې زه تا تعقیبه کم؟
You are just a normal girl.
You are just a normal girl. ته صرف یو نارمله جینۍ یې.
I hope we will not meet again.
I hope we will not meet again. زما امید دی چې موږ به دوباره میلاو نشو.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. د خدای په امان.
You came on time.
You came on time. ته په وخت باندې راغلې.
I'm Sarah. I am so happy to see you here.
I am so happy to see you here. زه ډېره خوشحاله یم چې زه تا دلته وینم.
We have to hurry.
We have to hurry. موږ باید عجله وکړو یعنی جلدی وکړو.
The plane will take off soon.
The plane will take off soon. طیاره به ډېر ژر پاڅیږي.
I am super excited.
I am super excited. زه ډېره خوشحاله یم.
Amber. We are going to Miami.
We are going to Miami. موږ میامی ته روان یو.
I hope everything will be fine.
I hope everything will be fine. زما امید ده چې هر څه به سم وي.
Excuse me. We would like to check in, please.
Excuse me. بخښنه غواړم. We would like to check in, please. موږ غواړو چې یعنی مطلب چیک ان وکړو. مهرباني وکړئ.
Sure.
Sure. یقینا.
May I see your passports and tickets?
May I see your passports and tickets? آیا زه کتلی شم ستاسو یعنې پاسپورټونه او ټکټونه؟ پلیز مهرباني وکړئ.
Please?
Sure.
Sure. بالکل.
Here you are.
Here you are. دا واخله.
I am so sorry.
I am so sorry, miss. زه ډیره بخښنه غواړم miss.
Miss Sarah. That seat is already booked.
That seat is already booked. دا سیټ خو already نیول شوی دی. مطلب چا نیولی دی یعنی بوک شوی دی.
It was our mistake.
It was our mistake. دا زموږ غلطي وه.
We are sorry for this.
We are sorry for this. موږ د دې لپاره بخښنه غواړو.
Amber. What is she saying?
What is she saying? هغه څه وایي؟
Can I not go with you?
Can I not go with you? آیا زه نشم کولی چې ستا سره لاړه شم؟
What should we do now?
What should we do now? اوس باید موږ څه وکړو؟
Hang on a second.
Hang on a second. یو سکند صبر وکړه.
Let me talk to her.
Let me talk to her. اجازه راکړه چې د هغې سره خبرې وکړم.
You will go with me, Sarah.
You will go with me, Sarah. ته به زما سره ځې سارا.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. اندېښنه مه کوه.
What are you trying to say?
What are you trying to say? ته څه ویل غواړې؟
What seems to be the problem?
What seems to be the problem? مطلب د مشکل څه ښکاري؟
We booked our seats yesterday.
We booked our seats yesterday. موږ خپل سیټونه چې دی پرون نیولي دي.
Don't sweat it, miss.
Don't sweat it, miss. اندېښنه مه کوه miss.
It was our mistake.
It was our mistake. دا زموږ غلطي وه.
We are upgrading your friend in a business class.
We are upgrading your friend in a business class. We are upgrading. وی منګه لوړو یعنی اوچتوو ستا ملګري په business class کې.
We are so sorry again.
We are so sorry again. موږ ډېره بخښنه غواړو دوباره.
What?
What? څه؟
A business class.
A business class. یو business class?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. ډېره مننه.
You are very lucky, Sarah.
You are very lucky. ته ډېره بختوره یې سارا.
You will be traveling in a business class.
You will be traveling in a business class. ته به سفر کوې په یو business class کې.
You will have so much fun.
You will have so much fun. ته به ډېره مزه ولرې.
Let's go to Miami.
Let's go to Miami. راځه چې میامي ته لاړ شو.